Can we breathe at airplanes in the night sky, but to the stars? I can really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we breathe at airplanes in the night sky, but to the stars? I can really wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to the place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glams and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a times when you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at your phone in your lap and you're hoping but them people never called you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fall. And when your plans on rivers in the sand, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. But don't make that now, switch my flight now. Be right back at the end of the night, yeah. The shooting stars. I wish right now, I wish right now. Shooting stars. I wish right now, I wish right now. Somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it even mattered what I had in my bank. Back when I was trying to get tip at Subway, back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that we can make some wishes out of airplane. Maybe, oh maybe I go back to the days before the politics we call it rap game. Back when nobody listened to my mixtape, back when I was trying to cover up my slang. But this is for the hater, what's up Bobby Ray? So can I get a wish to end the politics, get back to the music who started this shit? So here I stand and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplane.
Can we breathe that airplane in the night sky like
the shooting stars? I wish right now, I wish right now, I wish right now.
Can we breathe that airplane in the night sky like a shooting star?
I wish right now, I wish right now. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now. I wish right now, like a shooting star.